Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your Coinomi wallet app using your Android device. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, go and open up your Play Store or your App Store and go to the search box at the top and type in Coinomi and perform your search. If you see an update button popping up right next to Coinomi Crypto Bitcoin, tap on the update button to begin the update for your application. Wait until the update gets completed, which is an easy and quick process depending upon your internet speed. The update of an application comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement, so it is mandatory for your application to get its latest updates downloaded on your mobile device. That is how you can easily update your Coinomi wallet application. Once the update is completed, you can tap the open button to launch the app open. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.